Hi guys, today I'll be doing Pirates of the Caribbean today. This is one of the choices you guys have given me. This will be quite a bit of fun. So I'm just going to start my intro music on. I was just finding the notes so I can read it. And now, let's get ready. Ready, guys? I might have to start right down here. So, 3, 2, 1. Get ready, guys. So I try one-handed, this would be hard, ready? I'm gonna go when I'm ready. Ah, that's too hard. This is the impossible bit. So hopefully you enjoyed that. This was my remix of Pirates of the Caribbean medley, I think it's called. Yeah. Well, hopefully you enjoyed that, and I'll see you all later.